My name's Caroline Lee, and we're going to explore the free product of the month, the 10% off product, and what are the limited time offers and promotions that doTERRA has for the month of July 2023. For the month of July, you can get 10% off of turmeric, and that will get you a 15 ml bottle. This wholesale price for you for the month of July, while supplies last, is $29.70 for our wholesale members. Our retail customers, it will be $39.60. So let's talk a little bit about the uses and where this powerful oil comes from. So a key botanical in a traditional Indian Ayurvedic health practices, turmeric root and oil have a long history that has inspired modern uses. Now, this is steam distilled from the root. Turmeric essential oil has two unique chemical components, turmerone and AR-turmerone. Now, this is most known for their nervous system benefits, and these compounds make using turmeric internally a staple in your healthy daily routine. Now, turmeric essential oil is beneficial however you use it. So you can use it internally, topically, or aromatic with doTERRA. So it's really benefits the immune system. You can ingest turmeric, and it may support and have soothing benefits to promote a positive immune system response and healthy circulation. Turmeric can help promote clear and smooth, radiant looking skin. So you can use this topically. It also serves as a great flavor booster. And so you can use that in your meals. And also it's going to add a warm, spicy, and earthy aroma when it is diffused. So there's lots of ways that you can use this. You can see on there, it pairs well with ginger, DDR prime, wild orange, grapefruit, and ylang-ylang. So this is definitely a good one to use, after exercising. You can apply it on topical areas for soothing benefits, against your skin spot treatment. So think about it. If I have a blemish or something on my skin that I want to address, try turmeric. And this, again, is going to take great care of your body when it promotes a positive immune system response. So definitely think about the ways that we can use this. I do want to give you some diffuser ideas. So here are some diffuser ideas. I really am loving the Trust one, the ylang-ylang, lavender, and turmeric. So that's definitely one I'm going to try today in my diffuser. You can also, when cooking with turmeric oil, a lot of people know it as a spice that they cook with it. So some tips with using it as an essential oil: you're going to use 1 to 2 drops. You can add it to your smoothie or your favorite dish. So if single drop can offer the same benefit of a teaspoon of dried turmeric. So that's kind of how you can think of the trade-off. And then a lot of people like turmeric tea, so I did supply you a recipe, super easy for you to use if you want to try that out. So just some ways to use turmeric. All right, we're going to move on to Terra Shield. This is actually one that I needed to order because I was out, so I'm so excited. I was in tune for it. We're in July and we're going outside. So the way that this works is when you place a 125-point value loyalty rewards order on or before July the 15th, you will receive a free 15 ml bottle of Terra Shield. It will just automatically be added to your cart. And so we're going to talk a little bit about the benefits of this one. It's a natural mosquito repellent, which really makes it an ideal addition to the summer activities that we'll be doing in July. This offer, again, is going to be while supplies last. So if lots of people do this, it could sell out, or not sell out, but you just won't receive this one. They'll probably find a different product on here. But let's talk a little bit about Terra Shield, why it's such an amazing blend, and why, like, my family needs to use it almost on a daily basis here in the South. Let's see. So if you can see on the left-hand side, you can see what oils comprise this oil blend. we've got cedarwood, citronella, lemongrass, thyme, geranium, and peppermint. And if you're familiar with herbs and plant life, you'll know that this is often, those are oils and plants that are recommended to repel pesky bugs in there. So this is definitely going to be a natural, fresh, woody aroma. So it's a nice, if you want to switch out maybe the deep products and you're looking for something a little bit more natural, this is a great natural idea, replacement for it. So no matter what activity you're going to be doing outside, it's going to focus on keeping the pesky insects away. And so you're definitely going to know this. This is in a sesame seed oil base, so it's different than the coconut oil. It's going to be in sesame seed oil, so do note that one. And it is proven to help, again, with those mosquitoes. So think about camping, diffusing. In fact, I have taken it in a little diffuser when I've gone to the pool and diffused it when we've been at the pool to kind of help out as well. So definitely you can use this topically. You can use this in a diffuser. It is a great one to protect your family. So if you're looking more like for a spray, doTERRA does normally have a spray option, but if you get this for free, you can make it into a spray. This one has 20 to 30 drops of Terra Shield, 10 drops of lemongrass, 10 drops of peppermint, and a teaspoon of fractionated coconut oil in the bottle. So just so you know, this is a great one. The 4-ounce bottle, go ahead and shake it up and then spray it. And then of course, like I mentioned, I do like to diffuse this when I'm outside, maybe at a picnic, or I'll just get my portable diffuser. Here are some great ways of using it with other oils, especially the amping it up with the peppermint is a good way to do it, or the lemongrass and citronella. You're definitely going to be protected that way. So just thought I'd give you some real life uses for Terra Shield. And let's talk a little bit about, I'm really excited about this. I ordered this morning bright and early because I really love this. You're ready for whatever is going to come your way, and a natural, easy use products for your outdoor adventure. Now, I have something already I made up in my backpack. We go hiking a lot, we're outdoors a lot, but I'm excited to be able to just replace it with something like this already custom made. So the contents of this one, you're going to get the On Guard sanitizing mist, the lavender touch, Correct X, the Sun Face body mineral sunscreen stick, which is my personal favorite. That's what I use. My kids like to use the spray, but I love the stick. Peppermint beadlets, deep blue samples, Terra Shield spray, and then it comes in a waterproof bag, and that's why supplies last. That bag may or may not, depending on how fast this goes. So the kit retail price is $128. The wholesale price is $96. You'll get 70 PV. There is a limit of 4 of them. So they have a limited amount of the waterproof bags. So once they sell through the inventory, the kits will be available to be purchased without the waterproof bag, and you'll see this change with a new SKU if that and when that comes about. So just FYI with this one, but this is definitely a good kit for summertime. I highly recommend this. You can keep it in your car, in your backpack, in your purse when you're on the go, so you're ready for whatever life throws at you. All right, so Rose Duo is back. I'm really excited. I bought 2 of these last month because I didn't know that they were going to do this. This one was what doTERRA was going to be celebrating their anniversary. I think they've been around for, I don't know, now that I don't remember now. 15 years, I think it is a 15-year anniversary. And anyway, so this is what I want to do. Picture a garden in full bloom and your senses are relaxed and you're feeling uplifted. This is kind of what this duo does. It's very soothing and delightful. It's comforting. It's hydrating for your skin. This wholesale price of $49.50 retails at $66. There's a limit of 4 on this one. So this one actually sold out really quickly. I think on my slide coming up, it will show, I think it was like 10 days and they sold out again. So just note that this is going to be something that you'll want to get. It is a limited time offer. I love it. It's that rose mist is just so delightful, and I can already feel using it for a whole month how soft and smooth my skin is. I really love this. You're going to love this. All right. They have every once in a while they put a promotion for new members. So just kind of want to go over what this is going to be. This is called the Healthy 100. So how this work is you enroll with a 100-point order. So right here on the screen, you'll see my QR code or the website. You can go there and put whatever you want in the carts. If you want pre-made kits, there are pre-made kits you can add to it. Just put kit and they'll come up. But you'll get a free membership as long as your order is at the 100 PV mark. But that's the first tier. The second tier, when you place a 100 PV order in August, after you've enrolled into this month, you will earn 100 free points in September. So it's 100 gets you 100 is how that works. So definitely is exciting for you to explore and get started, and know that you'll have me by your side to help you with your essential oil education and learning how to use the products and how to find solutions for you and your family. Now, there are some incentive tiers above and beyond the 100 if you do want to get some more. So at the 100, you'll get the free membership if you're making your own kit, but you also get free shipping on that. And then if you do 150, you'll receive a Pebble diffuser. And this is an amazing diffuser with a USB port. So you can put it in your office and plug it into your computer. You can put it in your car. It's really versatile. It's really small and travels really, really well. So I would just mention that. And then just so you know, convention is right around the corner. And I do want to let you guys know that early bird ticket prices ended on June 30th. So prices did go up July 1st, but there are plenty of tickets still available if you want to go. You can go to the convention website to learn more about the details. They do have in-person tickets and they have online tickets, so you can enjoy watching it and reviewing it at home. But definitely make sure you get your tickets for that. They sell out, so you'll definitely want to get that. All right, with that said, I hope you have a fabulous July. Again, my name is Caroline Lee, and if you haven't gotten started with doTERRA, I would love to partner with you and help you on your essential oil journey. With that, keep oiling and have a safe July.